Hello guys, welcome to MBA Auto. I know I haven't posted in a very long time, and this video is about your, just let me, air indoor unit. I'm not a specialist, but I know how much what maintenance I have to do. So so this is a Panasonic AC. I don't know what the model number or whatever it is, but I will show you now. This filter is like completely clogged, but you have to check this. Like, I check this around every like 3 months, 3-4 months. I go around it, I clean it, and I put it back. The reason why you have to do is, I will just show it to you now. My filter is like really clogged up. It's almost 3 or 4 year old AC, but because I was cleaning this on time, I will show you the coil inside. You can see this. It's like you can see it around, a little bit dust everywhere, but if you see it close, if you see it from far away, it's like almost brand new. You can see the cooling lines inside. So this AC is not like this that we use it for almost every day, every night, every afternoon we turn it on. It's not like it just sits there, but this is what your condition of the AC should be after around like 5 to 6 years still. And this is the only thing I used to do is like it's never been indoor serviced, but if you keep your filters clean, if you maintain these filters, everything is always fine. So remember to check your AC filters every 3 to 4 months. Thank you.